Alright, so as a lot of you know, last year was kind of an odd time for Jordan Brand. Pretty much all of their releases sat on the shelves, and a lot of them got marked down. And that's what I've got here. I've got a pickup that is way marked down, over $100 off. Now, I think last year was kind of just a bump in the road for Jordan Brand. Obviously, Adidas was super hot. They're still hot, but I think that Jordan Brand made some adjustments towards the end of last year, and now they're working their way back towards where they should be. This month, February, already looks insane. There's like 4 or 5 different pairs that I know I want to get, and I'm like trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. Anyway though, let me show you guys this pair of Jordan 1s that I was able to get for over $100 off. That doesn't happen very often, and when I saw this price and the only size left was mine, I'm like, it's meant to be. Tell me that's not a glorious sight right there. I'll never get sick of opening a box and seeing that Nike right on the top. I hope they never change this box. It's just so classic. And when I see people's like collections that they post online, and I see all the Nike 1 boxes just stacked on top, I'm like, what's he got in there? I gotta see what those are. So retail on these was $160, and I was able to get them for $55. And here we go with the Air Jordan 1 black and white from the perforated leather pack. I saw these when they first released, and I was like, okay, those are clean, those are nice. At first, I was like, I don't need them, right? Like, I don't need to drop $160 on these. They're pretty simple. There's not much going on with this sneaker. So, whoo, that all-white bottom is looking crispy, though. You know, I kind of wrote them off and forgot about them, which is fine. Same thing happened with the Yin Yang pack, but I saw those. Oh, this is good. I gotta mention this. I saw the black and white Yin Yang 1s. They're both black and white. The ones that are predominantly white with the black swoosh. I saw those at my Nike outlet for 65 bucks, and I did not pull the trigger. I posted a tweet. I was like, I'm gonna wait till they drop down to 40. I don't know what I was thinking. They absolutely flew at that price, and I haven't been able to find them since under $100. If you see those all white and black Jordan 1s from the Yin Yang pack at your outlet, let me know. Please send me a tweet if they are under $100, because I want to grab a pair, especially if they're at that $65 price point. You can phone them up sometimes and convince them to do a phone order. It doesn't always work like that, but that's just a little hack. If you see something at someone else's outlet, you can call them and sometimes they'll do a phone order for you. But back to these, I'm not going to talk about them much. I kind of think that these are more of like an essential and a basic sneaker. There's not a whole lot to talk about. I'll get these on feet as soon as possible in this video, but I just wanted to talk about a couple things real quick. The perforated leather on here is not my favorite, but they don't use it too much. Like, it pretty much looks like just an all black upper, and that's all you're gonna see is just this smooth leather. They come with black laces as the default, but I'm so glad that they threw whites in there. I'm definitely throwing these white laces in there just to add a little bit of a contrast. You guys can let me know down below if you would keep the black or just go with the white. Do any of you guys mess with those custom laces like Rope Lace Supply or anything like that? I feel like the black leather laces might actually look pretty decent in a pair like this. I don't typically go out and buy laces. I haven't done that since like the rope laces that Ronnie Fieg uses were popping. But you know, it might be good to do some black leather laces in here or something along those lines. That might be kind of cool. Let me know if you guys ever do that. I hate looking at these sneakers unlaced, by the way, but it is what it is. I like that leather Nike patch on the top of the tongue. They used a premium leather for that. That's a nice touch. I don't think I've ever seen a leather Nike Air patch on the top of the tongue used like that. They've dropped a lot of all black upper 1s. So they must do well for them if they're continuing to do that. They seem like they just want to have an all black 1 on the shelves at all time. And you know, I'm not really mad. There's another all black pair with the red Nike Air that I was looking at, and I was like, if those drop low enough, I'm gonna get those. Same thing with the sale pair, the all sale pair with the red Nike Air. These went on sale for $55 on Nike.com. Shoe Palace had them even cheaper at like $48. So I don't think a lot of accounts were able to move this sneaker, and is that going to happen again? Who knows? This year may be completely different, and a lot of the models eventually sell at retail or maybe a slight discount. Are the days of $100 off retail over? Not really sure. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. So I'm going to style these a little bit and then the video will be over. So make sure you hit the thumbs up on this one if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, all Eddie Wing Kicks. I'll have another video up for you guys soon. If you missed my last two videos that I dropped, go check them out. One is a new basketball sneaker pickup, and the other is a packing video showing you guys some essentials that I like to bring with me when I'm packing. I went to Florida, so go check out those videos and let's get to the on feet